Hello builders. Today we will see how we can make an HTML ebook Android application in just 5 minutes. This will be final look of our app. For this, I have already prepared everything I need. For example, this will be a short storybook application. As you can see, I have prepared 5 stories for my application. Also, I have prepared the logo for the app as well. Let's go to build.droidpanda.com and create our application. For this one, I am going to choose application type as HTML. Once created, we need 5 categories, each will contain 1 story. Once that is done, now we need to put our story inside those categories. So, let's go inside a category. In here, I am going to create a collection. Collection will be the data or content for this category. Since we created an HTML type application, we can put only one collection under a category. We can customize our story using the built-in HTML editor. Also, if you want to put your HTML directly, switch off this HTML button. Put your HTML directly in here and save or update. I am going to fast forward and put all 5 stories in 5 categories. As you can see, all my contents are uploaded on the website. Now that our data entry is done, it's time to build our app. Let's go to APK Builder and under that click Build Requests and create a new build. If you just need to update your app, you can click on this Update APK and update the version code and version name and submit. That will build you an updated app with your updated content. However, if you are creating a new APK, for that you need to click on New Build. Select the application. Once selected, you will see available templates for this application. Choose the template you want to apply for this one. In my case, I am going to choose Simple HTML ebook. We have options to choose Multi-purpose HTML ebook, but that requires offline assets and Firebase JSON. You'll understand what those are once you start working with different templates. Check our FAQ and tutorial sections for more. Once you selected the template, choose any one of the preferred language. I am selecting English. As for build type, I have selected Android Build APK and AAB. Why both APK and AAB? Because Google is recommending AAB, so it's better if you can upload AAB file on Google Play. We need both APK and AAB because we cannot install AAB file directly on our phone. Give your logo here. Click on Next. In this screen you will be asked to fill all the necessary information for your application, such as name of the application, add code from AdMob and etc. When filling these information, you will find lots of options to choose from. You can customize the final look of your app as well. If you click here, you will see a screenshot how the app will behave if you choose one or the other option. And as for AdMob, I have copy-pasted the test ad code. You should get proper ad code from AdMob. Pay extra attention to you want advanced customization. Because if you say yes, you can have more options to customize your application's look. Finally choose release or test and submit. Once submitted, it might take couple of minutes for us to build your application. Once the build is complete, you will get an email with a download link, or you can download directly from the website as well. Inside the build folder I have both APK and AAB. So, let's see how does it look. As you can see, if you select all the default options that is given to you, the app will look like this. Since I have used test ad code, we are seeing the test ad. So, there you go. It only took us under 5 minutes to build an entire application. With HTML ebook template, the possibilities are endless. You can make any type of how-to or book-related applications. Storybook, English rhymes, life story, tutorial or anything that you can think of. There are also other templates available for other types of app as well. For example, SMS sharing, riddles or question answer, PDF ebook, audio, YouTube video, photo frame, find the difference, MCQ, etc. Many more templates are on development. So, what are you waiting for? Register at build.droidpanda.com and start building your next app with us.